20 to 30 average looking guy friends.
Yeah, or one extremely handsome dude.
I was going opposite
Yeah.
just because of the numbers.
I was thinking the same.
20 to 30 is
Gus
crazy.
will pick.
I don't think the 20 to 30. I feel like there's going to be a few tryhards in there that is going to be. They're going to be like one is like, but you know, she's dating that guy.
Yeah.
Like like stop
Yeah.
being weird. It's like, but she's so hot. I want to shoot my shot.
But the other dudes would kind of like hold him back.
Yeah.
Well, they all.
She has like the whole.
What do you think? They all made an agreement to hit on her at the same time or something?
Yeah.
And they
could
all
work
say the same
together.
words at the same time.
Yeah.
They just surround her and they all.
They're like, pick one of us. But I still feel like one person's too intimate.
But
right?
20 to 30, you're playing a numbers game.
But
But
she's dating you. Is your girlfriend?
If it's one-on-one, that would get in my head.
That does
Yeah.
get intimate.
And they're really good looking.
Yeah. In the back of my mind, no matter how much I trust both of them,
Yeah.
I'd be like, fuck.